Oh, we're on fire! Well, that's a lot. Ah, there's no fuel pad. Can we nick that fuel pad? Have you? Might be a bit thin, but we'll get it on. Oh, that's going to be a hard pain. There you go. Any leaks? It's leaking a little bit, but hardly out. Might just give that one a quick knock. Oh, it should go that, shouldn't it? Did we get that up before? Oh, it's gone in it now. Need a screwdriver for that. I don't want a brake key.
Yeah, this is better like mate.
That stuff we had before. Right, for one reason or another, we did not get the video recording of this, but it was pretty uneventful anyway, because the bike didn't run. No matter what we tried, we couldn't even get a murmur, not a cough out of it. So we just put it away, we moved on to the next one. Oh, Jem, I love that. You know what, I'm not going to sit it in the pool of fuel. Let's not do that. It's not the best idea, is it? I think this one deserves a 360 round it, Connor. What do you think? What's the deal with that? How come there's two fuel taps?
That's a special two fuel tap version.
So I'm assuming down is on. There you go. Well, that's a joke, I would think. What's a tickler?
Anyone a car tickler?
No. I'm only younger than me, you know.
Old bikes, before you were born, right, when you used to get petrol to them, they used a tickler for it.
And what's that, like a prime?
It fills the...
What fills a float chamber?
Yeah.
No, I've never. It's coming out the back. It's coming out the back of filter.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good.
Is that because you've just primed it though?
It should come out of here. Should come out of here.
Oh.
Not quite right there, isn't it?
Yeah. It should fire.
It should do. That's the on-off switch at the top there. Three of them.
Oh, look at on-off switch.
Yeah. Look how many miles of stuff you need.
3,800. I wonder how many times in that 3,800 it broke down. Being Italian. Beautiful little bike though. I bet there's somebody out there going, oh, I had one of them when I was a lad. Going right down memory lane. Oh, that's got to fire up, hasn't it? Is that the choke on top there, Jim?
I don't think so, man. I'm not quite sure what it is, to be honest.
It doesn't seem like there is a choke then in that case.
Should be, this should be.
Oh dear. Oh, that's definitely flooded then. So we'll get a little dry out, shall we? Just we'll plug out and...
Let it on,
Let's have a plug out and waz it over a few times. What's that, 19? Just one sec, let's put it back on. Oh, we're on fire!
Yeah, they do them sometimes. Fire!
I'll tell you what, let me go and get a rag or just something to cover it over with. If there's so much fuel coming out the back of it, Jim, I wonder what the cylinder's going to be like now. Oh, it's going to go. Careful, mate, it's backfiring.
It's alright.
Come on, baby. Yes. Is that cutting out as soon as you're touching the throttle?
Yeah. A bit of petrol. Just turn the petrol. Let's get a bit of petrol.
Go on, Jeff. That is a sweet little gem. Are they?
Yeah.
So what's neutral at the bottom then?
Yeah,
Neutral at the bottom and then all the way up.
So one up and the rest down.
Oh, right.
That's a nice little road, isn't it?
Yeah.
These are cars clean, that's great.
Yeah, definitely. We're going to leave that in. Beautiful.
What is this?
Oh, that's a sweet little bike. Little daily shop runner there. Yeah, it does, yeah. It's not happy, is it, from cold?
Yeah, bit of a clean. And,
What's the deal with being no choke on it though? That's quite unusual. I don't think I've ever seen a bike without a choke on it before. There's got to be something to do with it on top, that little spring. Is it? Yeah, definitely. What do you think? I might have a little ride on it actually.
one down, one up, one down.
Strange gears being on right. I've never ridden a bike with gears on right before. Yeah. Did you turn it off? So we'll find out. Yeah. I think he's broke it. He's broke it on purpose so I can't ride it. Definite runner, but that's beautiful. How much for that?
2100.
2,100 quid. That is a bargain. And I'll bet you there's someone who watches this video that had that as a lad.
In Italy.
You reckon? Why, are they Italian only?
Yeah, Giulieri's Italian.
Yeah. What, didn't they have these over here?
They had Giulieri's, but I don't think they had that model over here. I've never seen
Right.
one before.
Yeah.
Usual bike.
Yeah, it is. It's a pretty little thing. You can always tell Italians though, can't you? How they made bikes. Well, the tank's not too bad, it's got a full tank of fuel. Could do with a little cleaner, that, but
Can't see it on camera, but
not really.
2100 quid. We're doing well then.
If you had the keys to that one, that would go as well.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah.
I think we should try and find some keys or...
I don't think you'll find they're on these later 80s, the old 70s bikes, they don't fit each other, but these later 80s bikes, they changed all the keys and everything on them, so, and you have to take the whole barrel out to get the number.
Could you not take out the barrel of the... oh, there ain't one, is there? Someone's pulled it out.
No.
Because it would be the same key, wouldn't it? You'd take it out of the seat unit.
Yeah. Take it all out, get the number off the side of the shaft, and then you can order one.
Yeah.
It's not worth, because there's a lot of money to replace. It's not a good breaking it. But that's a running bike, that is.
Yeah, yeah.
The keys are probably lying in the back of a container somewhere.
Yeah, more than likely. It's a shame because I'd like to get them running. That guy bought the CR, didn't he?
Yeah.
CR 125. Was it 125?
Yeah.
Didn't use my services though to take bike up there, did he?
Did he?
I don't think so.
I think he picked it up. No, he picked it up.
He picked it up.
Yeah.
He come a long way then for that. I want to save this. I'm saving this for last. Are we having this one then? It's a little twin.
You don't need a battery, I don't think, on that.
No?
Either. No, they're self-done.
What's the tank like on it?
Pretty perfect, that is, mate.
Right, so what we'll do is we'll make some pre-mix up.
Yeah.
Make some pre-mix in that little container. And we'll have this, and I'm excited to hear this. You see the size of tank on it? It's not too bad. It's a bit furry down at the bottom, but...
Can't see it on that one.
Can you not? Right. Shall we just mix a bit of two-stroke in that?
Stick a bit in.
Just a tiny bit. Smells like emulsion. Hey, we've got no leaks.
Probably not going into the car as well.
Well, you can see they've got transparent lines, you know, for oil feed.
Yeah.
And you can see oil's in it. Whether or not it's pumping, I don't know. Right, jokes on. I think middle, isn't it, for on?
But once, yes.
Just one. I don't have to get seat up on that. I think it comes up from front. I don't know how you get seat up on that. I can't even feed it any ether. How the fucking hell does that come up? Side of the bolt there. There's usually a clip, isn't there, but I can't find it. Unless it's been broke off. Well, I'll be shitting damned. Oh, hang on. I'll have to spray up there. That's a runner. That sounds well as well. Let's give it some more. It's right underneath. What this is? Alright. Yeah, we're struggling with fuel, aren't we? Either way, I don't want to run it for too long because if there's no oil feed, yeah, not try running that anymore because we don't even know if oil feed's working, and it's definitely getting no fuel, so there's no point in just running it up on ether. Another runner though.